Okay, that works. Oh, she's seeing him as a baby.
You poor thing. You must have been cold and hungry for so long.
He's squeaking his
pie down.
Hey guys, Ethan Griffin here, and today we're going to be reacting to Mario's Plane Trip, the latest of SMG4's Saturday video uploads. Based on the description and the thumbnail, it looks like SMG4 and Mario are taking a plane trip somewhere, and Karen is also there to serve some sort of purpose, I think. And based on the description, it looks like they're heading to Nintendo World. I can only imagine the kind of hijinks that'll ensue from this. But as we get into this, remember as always to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for more notifications. All of your support is greatly appreciated for the growth of the channel. And without further ado, let's get into this.
That's so nice!
Okay, I'm in the airport. Alright, Mario's dancing around and slammed Shroomy out of the way.
I seem to have been knocked into the luggage conveyor.
Oh, Marty Airlines.
Oh, I wonder what silly hooving he might do so foolish for this time.
Oh, that was Freddy's laugh there.
Oh, this is me.
Alright, looks like this might be like a Disney World-esque theme park. Only it's a Nintendo theme.
12-hour flight ahead of us, and I need some rest. So chill out for a bit, and you can be excited all you want when we land.
Next.
Oh, and Karen's the
Papers, please.
receptionist.
Oh, Mamma mia! What the hell is that?
Passport.
Well,
Oh, a
lads,
mallet,
oh, wait, how would I
Luigi.
trust you to bring it?
Alright, she's checking them both.
Your passport photo here looks a little low quality.
Oh, no problem.
Okay. Oh, and he's shrinking.
Head on through.
Okay, that works. Alright, a security check. Oh, it's Swagmaster.
Swag? You work at the airport now?
I work everywhere. Put your bag on.
Oh, just like Karen. Alright. Oh, there's a bomb and a
I
flamethrower.
want you to make sure you search every single of these bags. We will have order.
Dude, why are you treating us so harshly?
Because
Yes, yeah. I can handle this myself. That was incredible.
Okay, and Mario was just sleeping in the street randomly and sent... Oh, Sonic flying into a volcano! Alright, but that had nothing to do with SMG4.
tell me what contraband you found.
It's actually already dangerous.
Nonsense. What's this?
A Beyblade.
I'm a superstar.
That's a dual
Did you
disc.
say? Wait. Red alert. Red alert. We have a criminal here. Take them to prison.
Prison? For a Beyblade?
Talk to the judge.
Oh, that works.
I have become even stronger.
Oh, looks like he's spinning to catch up with them.
What are you doing?
And he just broke out of the window and right into the plane there. Smashing her flat into the...
I set my hand from stunning.
Oh, Karen is not very lucky this episode.
Oh my God! Yes!
You idiot! You think they just casually leave a park plane on so anyone can...
Sonic, my beloved. This one is for you.
I'm hoping you knuckleheads didn't touch the controls. I left the plane on for cleaning.
Oh. Oh dear.
Oh.
Alright, looks like they're all going for a ride.
Oh no.
Oh, she just took off his head. Alright,
Please
and now
tell me
she's
someone can
duct
fly this
taped
thing.
him.
Stand back. You'll be looking at the Flight Simulator high score right here. Or was that Farm Simulator? Anyway.
I'm pretty sure a simulator game isn't the same as.
For you. Let me try. Ah, the autopilot.
Okay, yeah, the autopilot
firearm
works.
security activated.
Why do they have that? Alright, and that took care of the duct tape. And Karen just stopped Mario.
I'm gonna keep this child from causing any more problems. You guys make sure we land without dying. I doubt it, though.
Let me see if there's a YouTube tutorial on flying a plane.
How to fly a
Hi,
plane.
hello. This is my tutorial on how to fly an aircraft. First, you gotta start off with your Mongolian throat warm-ups.
Mongolian throat warm-ups. I have no idea what Mongolian throat warm-ups have to do with flying a plane.
We'll get to Nintendo World if you behave.
Yeah, just throw a tantrum. Because you're not going where you want to. Spaghetti.
If I give you some food, will you shut up?
Okay, that works. Oh, she's seeing him as a
You
baby.
poor thing. You must have been cold and hungry for so long.
He's squeaking his face. Oh, what did he say?
So long.
Hell you talking about, boy?
Okay. And now Karen's becoming a mother to, like, Mario.
I'm a king now.
Oh, looks like they've ascended.
Then after 50 praise the sun, the last thing to do is to say that pilots...
Huh?
Ancient catchphrase.
An ancient catchphrase for
And
pilots?
that's it. Now you are fully
That's
trained to
weird.
fly a plane.
What? That's it? That had nothing to do with flying a plane.
SMT work. I'm doing it.
What?
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Oh, he actually is.
Ooh! Huh?
Oh, and SMG4's doing it too. His hat turned into a pilot's cap.
Next stop, Nintendo World!
What a big, strong boy you are. How about some uppers time?
The fuck is that?
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Aw,
Crazy
sounds like
cat lady.
someone's sleepy weepy. How about a bit of nappy nap time?
Yeah, you are. You are sleepy.
Destination inbound. Over.
Oh, and there's Nintendo World.
This is SMG4, your co-captain speaking. We're a few minutes out from our destination. Please buckle in, hang tight, and we'll arrive at Nintendo World shortly.
Mario, settle down this instant!
Yeah, that's not working. Oh, the image is broken for her.
Child
Oh, and she backhanded him. Right outside the window. Yeah, probably not a good thing to do, that, Karen.
It's been a minute.
You got family back home?
I have a wife. Things have been a bit rocky lately, but it's trips like this that really make you miss them. You know?
Yeah, I know what you mean. I have someone waiting back home myself.
Wait, you hear something?
Oh, how did he get sent flying to the front of the plane? Oh, and they're crashing right into the theme park.
I can't see where we're landing.
I quit.
Yeah,
Alright,
good on ya.
SMG4. Looks like it's the pinnacle of our wilding careers. We are gonna have to lock in and land this bad boy.
Let's do this!
Yeah, probably a good idea. Yeah. Are they gonna do it in time? Oh, there's Frankie and the minecart ride. Oh, and they're all trying to pull it up. Oh, and they landed just in time.
Forget your sunscreen!
Well,
Karen
good
is
job,
such a
Swag.
mom.
You wanna come and enjoy Nintendo World?
I think I'm gonna stay with the plain SMG4.
What? What do you mean?
I think I'm gonna go home to my wife. I miss her.
No worries, Swag. No worries at all. Hey guys, wait for me!
Alright, well, at least they made it to their destination. Oh, and some photos. Roller coaster. Oh, running her over with a bumper car. Swag reuniting with Sonic. Alright, so this is definitely a weird episode, for sure. And we got to see, and looks like anytime Karen is directly involved as a main character in these episodes lately, that she's more of a rival to Mario or something. Trying to get him to settle down. But anyhow, I feel that should do for this video. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. And remember, as always, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for more notifications. All of your support is greatly appreciated for the growth of the channel. And until next time, this is Griffin, signing off.